Or both entertainment and sports today.
Keep God first.
Watch me on entertainment and sports today.
Stay tuned for entertainment and sports today.
A big winner in the channel. We want this to be fun. We want this is a big night of fun. It's a great evening for people to see.
And here we are, the beautiful Caesar's Palace Hotel with a billion-dollar view overlooking Bellagio, the world-famous and iconic Bellagio Water Fountain Show here in Las Vegas. There's Bellagio. There's the big lake they got there. And to sync up, it's the world-famous and iconic Eiffel Tower at the Paris Hotel. They have a light show going on right on the Eiffel Tower, as you can see. And then at the same time, they got this water show, which is quite spectacular. And also on the strip, you can see the Paris balloon and the Arc de Triomphe and the Louvre that they recreated at the Paris Hotel there. You also see the Horseshoe, Paris, Planet Hollywood, all the way down to the MGM Grand, and you can see all the way down to the Hacienda, or what that now is called Mandalay Bay. And there's the Cosmopolitan. And there you have it. They run this in the evening. They run this water show about every 15 minutes for your viewing pleasure. There you have it. A good night, everybody, from Entertainment and Sports Today. Now, as you can see here, an amazing shot taken from our room at Caesar's Palace. It's the world-famous fountain view. They call it an F3 code for the best room at Caesar's that faces Flamingo, where the world-famous, iconic Bellagio Hotel is. And this is their Lake Como, which is the iconic water show they got, the fountain water show. And now, kind of something that's new, in addition to this amazing water show, right there across the street at the Paris Hotel, the Eiffel Tower decided to be in sync together with the water show. Why compete against an incredible show? They decided to do their light show. As you see there, the lights at the Eiffel Tower. They do that right when the water show comes up. So you have two shows in one. And right across, you could see there, it's the Paris balloon, and that's the Arc de Triomphe, and that, of course, is the Eiffel Tower, the light show at the Eiffel Tower. And from here, you can look right down the strip. You can see that's the world-famous Planet Hollywood right there, and that's the Aria, and that's the Cosmopolitan, and that's the Bellagio. And here's the water show. There you have it, an incredible water fountain show.
More of both entertainment and sports today.
Keep God first.
Watch me on entertainment and sports today.
Stay tuned for entertainment and sports today.
In good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore.
We just sang with Gladys Knight. Oh my God! Isn't that the right song? We'll be the new Pips.
Can I just see you every morning when I open my eyes? Can I just win an Oscar one day? It would be a surprise.
This song that I'm going to release is called A Partir de Hoy, y es así. A partir de hoy le vendaré los ojos a mi corazón. No quiero que te mire y vuelva a enamorarse, y aunque duela dejarte, a partir de hoy.
I am so happy.
Dozens have been raped, even children. Illegal immigrants. We know all of that is true, and it's cost this country billions, and we don't have money for the people in North Carolina, Georgia, South Carolina, Tennessee, and Florida. It's not true. Biden and Harris have prioritized their obsession of illegal immigrants over all of you, the American people, all the people in North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Tennessee, Florida. They've gotten all those numbers so far. Only one time in 7 as of yesterday, and they'll promise maybe more money down the road if FEMA can find the cash, which they don't have as of now because they gave it away to
a very good point. I mean,
Entertainment and sports today.